Have you ever felt like your body is constantly tired, your metabolism is slowing down, or you're just not feeling your best? No matter how well you eat or how much you exercise, if that sounds familiar, you're not alone. In today's video, we're diving into Renew, a nighttime metabolism and cellular repair supplement that promises to help you burn fat, sleep deeper, and restore your health from the inside out. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. What is Renew? Renew is a dietary supplement formulated to be taken at night when your body is naturally geared toward rest, recovery, and cellular repair. Unlike typical weight loss products that are loaded with stimulants and crash your system, Renew works with your body's circadian rhythm. It's designed to boost deep sleep, enhance nighttime metabolism, support stress reduction, and accelerate fat burning, all while you sleep. Sounds impressive, right? The science behind Renew. The key to Renew lies in how it works with your natural sleep cycle. You see, studies have shown that deep sleep is when the body resets hormones, balances metabolism, and repairs cells. If you're not sleeping well, your cortisol levels spike, your metabolism slows down, and your cravings for junk food increase the next day. Renew tackles all of that. Here's what it does. Promotes deeper, more restorative sleep, reduces stress and anxiety, balances leptin and ghrelin, your hunger and fat storage hormones, supports overnight fat burning and detox, enhances cellular regeneration and repair. It's not just about weight loss, it's about helping your entire body function better overnight. Ingredients breakdown. So, what's inside this nighttime powerhouse? Renew contains a blend of natural, clinically studied ingredients. Ashwagandha reduces stress and lowers cortisol for a calmer mind and better fat metabolism. Melatonin helps you fall asleep faster and stay in deep, fat-burning sleep longer.